This is the quickest way I get sports on my Amazon Fire TV stick. Check this out, guys. Under the search icon, I type in downloader, D-O-W-N, downloader, orange icon here. I click on it. I already own it, so I'm going to download it, get it, install it. Prior to opening downloader, I head back to the home screen, all the way to the search icon, and I come down to My Fire TV. Once I'm in My Fire TV, I will click on Developer Options. But if I did not have Developer Options here, I'll click on About. And under Fire TV Stick, use my select button about 7 times, and now no need. I am now developer. So Developer Options is now available. Under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This allows Downloader to install applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. I go back to the home screen. I'm going to find Downloader under the 3 squares plus sign. Highlight Downloader, use the 3-line button on the remote, and move it to the front. Now I go to the home screen, find Downloader, open up Downloader. I allow Downloader to access photos media on my device because Downloader needs the ability to sideload applications onto the device. Click OK, and under URL or the search term, we type in a shortcut 370178. Click Go. This is a shortcut to the Led by the Unknown download page. Once the redirect is completed, I usually like to use the 3-line button on my remote and I add the current page to the favorites. Now I just use next time I'll use the favorites and click on it, and it goes right to the downloads page. Now under this downloads page, usually scroll down a bit, and I follow this best 5 apps available for your Fire TV stick. Enjoy. Peace.